Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox something really special, and that is this, the Rick and Morty talking pickle Rick. I'm really excited to unbox this one. Okay, so this is by RP, RP Mini. So let me just show you guys. Here's a closer look. It's a 3-inch squeezable pickle Rick, which says, "I turned myself into a pickle Morty." And I'm Pickle Rick. Okay, and there is a 48-page book on Pickle Rick with full color illustrations from Rick and Morty. Okay. Okay guys, let's unbox this and see how it is. Okay, let's put this aside for a second and see what is inside. There is some paperwork here. Okay, fine, let's put this aside. And here is the flip book. Okay, I don't know, it's double-sided, but here it is. Okay, this is the entire story actually, which we saw in the show. If you guys never seen this specific episode, I request you to please go and see this episode. This episode is really awesome. It's really epic. This one was a really nice episode. So usually when RP Minis releases something like this, it would be like a flip book. So previously I unboxed this Cuphead RP Minis, so that had a flip book. So you can just browse through my playlist and you can see that video as well. Okay, let's take the pickle itself. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is made of rubber. Here is the bottom part. Okay, you can't remove this, it's fixed. Okay, let's play this one. Got it. Let's squeeze it.
I turned myself into a pickle, Morty! A pickle Rick! I turned myself into a pickle, Morty! A pickle Rick!
Okay, you need to press here exactly, so the button is inside this portion. And yeah, it's actually fully made of rubber apart from this part. So this is plastic. This entire piece here is made of rubber, like this, squeaky toys. Okay, this looks really nice. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you loved my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.